Snake's just like, yep, it's not real. Okay, time to beat Psycho Mantis without changing controller ports. This is going to be really tough. Hideo. Okay, the trick doesn't work yet, it would seem. Yeah, okay.
That's Psycho Mantis. Not every...
He read your mind with... He's you. I've got it. The controller socket. Plug your controller into socket 2. Do that, and he won't be able to read your move. Snake, is there any reason you can't use controller socket 2? Snake. 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 Snake.
Okay, alright, I think I have to die first. Let's kill myself. Oh. I think I have to die a few times. I'm not sure how many times you have to die before it activates. But yeah, I've never ever tried this method before, ever.
Snake. Snake. No! Meryl! What happened? Snake! Snake! Meryl.
Doesn't he usually say, "You idiot," if you kill Meryl?
Snake.
Damn it.
No! Meryl! What happened? Snake! Snake! Meryl.
I don't know how many deaths it takes, sorry guys.
Snake, is there...
Oh, here we go. Do you see something that looks like a statue on both sides of the room? Attack those statues to uncover their faces. They're modeled after Mantis's face. He despises his own face.
Snake, if you destroy the faces of those statues, you should be able to disturb Mantis's psychic powers.
How many deaths was that, guys? 4 or 5? Something like that? There wasn't too many. Okay, sweet. Nice. That was sweet though. It didn't take many times to die. Yes, I've never tried that method. The paintings. Yeah, I love all of those. I only recently played the classic Resident Evils, and I only recently played all the Silent Hill games. Pretty happy to be able to play them on stream for the first time.
Stop! Meryl!
Oh crap! No, what? Why isn't she falling over? Oh my god. Go to sleep, Meryl. Usually only takes one stun grenade. Where are you? Sorry to blind you guys. This is why I don't like using the thermal goggles. It's so blinding. Well done. Alright, take care, Rainbow Hearts. Have a good one.
Your niece is going to be
Thanks
okay.
for